If you've ever wrestled with garment fitting, I've created something just for you. The J. Stern Designs YouTube Insider Club organizes all of my video tutorials in one place with a special focus on what I do best, helping you to create garments that fit and flatter. You'll find tutorials organized in topics such as altering ready to wear and pattern-specific tutorials that will guide you step by step through the process of fitting and sewing some of my most popular patterns, such as the tee, the raglan sleeve top, and yoga pants. Fitting videos are organized by topic and order of operation. So whether you're working on fitting pants or tops, my tutorials offer a step-by-step guide to minimize the frustration of circling around and refitting. I created this club for people who want more than just fitting and sewing tips. You'll find tutorials that will help you become best friends with your serger, discover new sewing tools, techniques, and gadgets that will enhance your sewing experience, and fun sew-alongs. Plus, the J. Stern Designs YouTube Insider Club is more than just PDFs and links. It's a community. As a member of this community, you'll have the opportunity to help shape future content by participating in polls and connect with me live during a monthly meetup where we can talk about fitting successes, struggles, and solutions. This is your time to feel seen, heard, and supported, and it's my time to get to know you better. The J. Stern Designs YouTube Insider Club is a one-time payment of $99 that includes the monthly meetup and new content updates to the catalog. Stop searching around for the right tutorial and spend more time working on your project. I hope to see you there.